Alright, we're going to do a quick test run on Lando, our custom 12, carbon 12. Custom 12 is on. Anyways, I'm going to use, this is my runner body, at least for now, until I get used to it. Not bad. See how she does. Got a lot of the quirks worked out. Pretty charged battery. Heck, how did both of those pop out at once? A little nosedivey. Probably not enough velocity. First through a rip with her, but I think we got a winner. Oh, any day now. Hope it does. The only reason I haven't taken it down at this point is because there's flying squirrels that live in there. Been there for years. Same with a couple other critters. They need a place to live too. Now this has got a steel slipper clutch, but it's not center. Much like the Rlaarlos, but it's Gem RC. Steering, I gotta get servos in. Minus steering, this thing hauls them all. I dig it. Oh. Just wants to do wheelies. And this has got a it's got the motor out of the 20 or WL12408. It's a 2838 3200 kV. It's a good little motor. I think I got some issues after some of the tumble-wumbles we've given her at skate parks. It's our skate park rig. We upgraded that one and we took that for this. runs good though. See that? Then I got a tumble wumble. I'm pretty happy with her. Let's do 3 good laps now. Start it now. Come on. Hitting that little one low always does that. You need velocity on it. And I'm actually contemplating turning the throttle dual rate down so I can use more of the throttle. Right now I'm barely touching it. Gassing it too late. I should go into it with more speed. It's only the second battery I've used on this. The first one was only a partial, so. There's only one pin holding it in, the body. Running good, running good. Alright, that's good stuff. I always say that and then I want to film more. This thing could fly if I wanted it to. All I'm doing is chasing her though. Gotta get my suspension right. And I gotta get these body mounts right. Learning process. Learning process. But she runs good. And I'm thinking about selling this as a kit. Haven't decided how, or I'm gonna have metal parts and carbon fiber parts. I'm gonna try a metal chassis version. Metal chassis is a little bit cheaper, but carbon fiber is nice. Trying to inch that speed up a little bit. Alright. I'm done. Hope this comes out.